People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, people are elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com, my blog PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. And today I just learned that my bread machine, the top can actually come off so you could clean it. Well, the person that's seen the video, they were disassembling it to repair it. I didn't need a repair, I just need to know how to take the top off. But before we get there, because I can't do it right now, I made some jam and it splattered all over the top. It was sticky. Trying to clean it was, yeah. So I put it in another cycles with some boiling water, well, with some hot water with some soap, and I got it going through the cycle. There was jam splattered all over here. See, there's still some there. And I put it back in the jam cycle so that way, just like the jam splattered on the top and got all sticky, I figured just soap and water will loosen it up. And then I took the back of the sponge, at least that was my intent, to, scrub it. But this side worked. So, yeah. When it was cool, it was sticky, but after I put it through the cycle and that water heated up and the steam went up, it all melted away and I got it finishing the cycle. It's got another 37 minutes, so I figure anything that's stuck or gooky or whatever, I could go ahead and clean that. And I figured the steam would go along the sides of it. Let me show you what I mean. As long as it doesn't splatter me, because it's in the middle of spinning. But on the sides of the machine, the jam kind of dripped down there too. So the steam will help loosen that up so I could clean the inside of it once I remove the bread pan. So, yeah. If you have jam that's stuck on there or old bread or whatever, put it through a jam cycle with some soap and some water and see what happens. Once it's completely cooled down, I'm going to unplug it and try to take the back off of it so that way I could put it, in a horizontal surface and clean it that way, because that's just good to know. But this way is working fine. I can clean it, and that way by the time I make another thing of bread, I don't have to worry about it rising up like the wheat bread did and then coming in contact with jam residual or stuff that was splattered on top of the machine. So, yeah, thought I'd share that. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, people are elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com, my blog PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. Half my lunch is on my face. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye now.